Everything so far has been agents reasoning and passing text to each other. But a multi-agent system that can only produce text is limited. The real power comes from agents that can securely trigger real-world code. Querying a database, calling an internal API, executing a calculation, searching the live web. This is tool integration, and it's what turns a conversational model into an actual actor inside your enterprise systems. 3 things make this possible and safe at production scale. First, structured function calling, how a model turns a plain language intent into a precise, executable data payload instead of a conversational sentence. Second, the Model Context Protocol, an open standard that's rapidly become the common language for connecting agents to external tools and data sources. Third, Sandboxed Execution, the isolation layer that keeps an agent that writes and runs its own code from ever touching anything it shouldn't. Let's take these one at a time, starting with the mechanism that makes function calling possible at all. JSON schemas. Function calling works because you don't just give a model a tool, you give it a precise contract describing that tool. A JSON schema listing the function's name, a natural language description of what it does, and the exact parameters it accepts with their types. When the model decides a tool is needed, instead of producing a conversational sentence like "I'll check the weather now," it's trained to produce a structured JSON object matching that schema, the function name and a parameters object with the correct fields, correct types, ready for your orchestration code to parse and execute directly, with 0 natural language parsing required on your end. This is the mechanical bridge between the model thinks it should act and your code acts. Well-written tool descriptions matter enormously here. The same way a personas system prompt shapes conversational behavior, a tool's schema description shapes when and how correctly the model chooses to call it. Getting these schema descriptions right is itself a form of prompt engineering, and teams that treat. Before an open standard existed, every agent framework connecting to Slack, a database, or a file system needed its own bespoke integration code, a combinatorial mess as the number of tools and the number of frameworks both grew. The Model Context Protocol, introduced by Anthropic as an open standard, solves this the way USB-C solved device charging. One common protocol that any compliant agent can speak, and any compliant tool or data source can expose itself through. Instead of building a custom connector for every combination of framework and tool, you build one MCP server for your data source, say your company's internal ticketing system, and any MCP-compatible agent from any framework can immediately discover and use it with the available operations self-described through the protocol itself. For enterprise deployments specifically, this also means a single security and access control layer, rather than a patchwork of custom authentication logic bolted onto every integration. It also means faster onboarding for any new data source your enterprise adds later too. Some of the most capable agent patterns don't just call predefined tools. They write and execute their own raw code on the fly to solve a problem, an approach often called CodeAct. Instead of being limited to a fixed menu of pre-built functions, an agent can write a small Python script to, say, parse a CSV, do a custom calculation, or chain 3 API calls together in a way no pre-built tool anticipated. This is powerful, and it is also dangerous if done carelessly. A model-generated script is unvetted, untrusted code, and running it on a production server is a serious security liability. The solution every serious framework converges on is sandboxed execution. The agent's generated code runs inside an isolated, disposable virtual container, with no access to your file system, your network, or your credentials, and with strict resource and time limits enforced. If the generated code is buggy, malicious, or runs away in a loop, it can only damage the disposable sandbox, never your actual production environment. This is the full loop from schema to execution. Tool_schema is the contract we described 2 scenes ago, name, description, and typed parameters, passed to the model alongside the conversation so it knows this capability exists. When the model decides to act, it doesn't write a sentence. It returns the structure shown in example_model_output, a function name and a parameters object matching the schema precisely. Dispatch_tool_call is your orchestration code's job. Read that structured output, match it to the Python function, and execute it critically through sandbox_execute, not a raw direct call, which is where the isolation boundary from CodeAct sandboxing gets enforced in code rather than staying a theoretical safeguard. Notice this dispatcher pattern scales cleanly. Adding a new tool means adding a new schema and a new branch with no changes to the model-facing logic at all. In a full MCP-based system, this dispatch layer is largely handled for you by the protocol's client-server architecture, but understanding this raw underlying mechanism is essential for debugging when something goes wrong.